Want to keep your Galaxy S25 Ultra clean and organized without deleting apps completely? You can archive the ones you don't use often. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find Device Care. Tap Device Care, then tap Storage. In the middle, you will see Suggestion. Look for Archive Unused Apps, and then tap Archive Apps. Here you can see the list of apps, and your phone will recommend you to archive some apps. As you can see, the Archive button will show you how much space you will save. Tap Archive, and then tap Archive again to confirm. As a note, your app's data and setting will be saved, so if you ever need the app again, you can restore them and pick up right where you left off. This is super useful if you have got heavy apps like games or shopping apps that you don't open often, but you don't want to lose your progress or login info. And that's how you free up space by archiving unused apps on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please hit to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.